cultivate mussels. Okay, so the first part of this video is going to be the phase of attachment where the mussel foot, which is part of what you eat if you eat mussels, it's part of the tissue you eat, it's responsible for secreting the abyssal thread. So it comes out from inside the shell, and there's a plate of glass here. So we're filming from outside in the waters here on the other side of the glass, and the mussel will make contact with the inner surface of the glass. It's going to press against that glass. And in the mussel foot are a series of glands in which it stores liquid proteins that are secreted directly onto the gland, onto the surface to make this adhesive pad, and then also into a groove along the length of the foot, which you can't really see here, to make the thread. So it molds this structure, this tissue, in a few minutes by injecting liquid proteins. If you watch this spot right here, you'll see it grow in this sequence. So it's increased, it's basically injecting right now the liquid protein to make the pad, and it also injected the thread proteins, and then all of that liquid protein hardens in about a minute. Okay, and then the last phase is detachment. After hardening, the mussel foot will pull away. You see the pad here that's attached to the glass, and the thread is going to pop out from this ventral groove here in just a second. So that's incredibly elegant processing of the tissue. A structural tissue, and by the way, a structural tissue that has to be weight-bearing immediately after it's formed. And this is fairly rare. Spider silk is another example of a tissue that forms very, very rapidly and is immediately loaded by the organism.